Hello students, so today we'll study the new topic in the lesson 7 Python. Now see this expression, evaluate the expression. So as you can see in this expression 12 plus 3 multiply 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Now here in this expression contains more than one operator. One is the add plus operator, second is the multiplication operator, third is the subtraction operator, and the fourth one is the division operator. So four operators are there. Now according to the priority rule, precedency rule, so this multiplication and division has the highest priority, highest precedency in comparison to the plus and minus. Now see this both multiply and division has the same precedency. So here we will apply the left associativity rule. So on going from left to right, see the this multiplication is encountered first, and after that the division. So first this multiplication operator will be removed. How it will be removed? So this first multiplication will be evaluated. So 3 will be multiplied with 4. Now see the result, 12 plus 12. We got here 3 4s are 12. Now in the next line, now see the one operator is removed. Now out of 4 the 3 is there, plus minus and division. Now among this the division has the highest precedency. Now the division will be removed. So 6 will be divided by 2, it will give you the result 3. As you can see now, another operator is also removed. Now remaining 2 only, plus and minus. Now in this plus and minus both have the same priority, same precedency. So again it will follow the left associativity rule. So this first on going from left to right, this plus is encountered first. So this plus will be removed first. Now 12 plus 12 gives you the 24. Now plus is removed. Now there is one operator, only is the subtraction. Now from 24, 3 will be subtracted, we will get the result 21.0. Like this. Is this one also you can see. In this you can see there is the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis has the highest priority. So the first parenthesis will be removed. So how this parenthesis will be removed? When this 12 will be added to the 3. Now the result is 15. Now after that, this remaining three operators, multiplication, subtraction and division. Out of this, the multiplication and division has the highest priority. Now there you will follow the left associativity rule. See this on going from left to right, this multiplication is encountered first. So first we remove the multiplication by multiplying the operands 15 and 4. Now the result will be 60. That is 60 minus 6 divided by 2. Now there is the only two operator in this line. So this division has the highest precedency in comparison to the subtraction. So the 6 will be divided by 2. The result will be 3. Now 60 minus 3 gives you the 57. Similarly, you can see this expressions also. 12 plus 3 multiply 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Now in this you can see this there is the 1 2 or 3 4 operators are there. So out of this parenthesis has the highest precedency, so the first parenthesis will be removed. So first we subtract from 4 6, the result will be minus 2 in the bracket C parenthesis. Now after that this multiplication and division has the highest priority. So on moving from left to right, multiplication is encountered first, so first it will be multiplied. 3 multiply minus 2 gives you minus 6. Now after that this division has the highest priority. Minus 6 will be divided by 2, it will get the minus 3. Now 12 minus 3 gives you the result 9. Now you can see the conditional statement in the Python. In the previous chapter, you have learned about the basic elements of the Python. In this chapter, you will be introduced the concept of the conditional branching and the various control statements available in Python. So in our day-to-day life, we come across various situations where we have to take the decisions and take actions accordingly. Let us take a simple real-life example. It is rainy season and you want to go out and play with your friends. So before you move out to play, you want to be sure that weather will remain clear throughout the day or not. In this case, you are doing the check operation. Condition: if the weather is clear, then you will go out and call your friends to play. That is the plan of action. If the condition will be true, then only you are going to execute this plan. If it is raining, so you will sit at home and enjoy watching television or probably read a storybook. Let us take another example. You need to have a valid driving license for driving any vehicle. To apply for a driving license, your age should be greater than or equal to 18. Now see the condition is what and what is your plan of action. and your plan of action depends upon the result of the condition. So if your age is greater than or equals to 18, if this condition is true, then you are eligible to apply for a driving license. If your age is less than 18, means if this result is not true, that is the else part, then you are not eligible to apply for a driving license. So as you have already studied about the algorithm and the flow chart, let us analyze the above example by placing it in the algorithm on a flow chart. See, this algorithm is a well-defined step-by-step procedure or a way to write a program. It helps us to understand the problem and solution in a better way. So in this algorithm, we give the step-by-step procedure first. One, what you have to do, and in the first step, now the second step, what you are going to do, in the third step, what you are going to do, that we describe in the algorithm. Now see the algorithm to apply for a driving license. First, input your age. You will write your age. Check your age. If your age is greater than 18, then you can apply for the license. If it is less than 18, then you are not eligible to apply the driving license. Now see in the flow chart. So how we solve the problem by using the flow chart. So this pictorial representation, flow chart is a pictorial representation of the flow of steps or procedures to solve a problem. See whether we can apply for a driving license or not. We click on the start, input your age, and your age will be checked, compared. Is age is greater than equals to 18? If it is true, if this condition is true, yes, so you are eligible to apply for a driving license, and after the program will stop. If it is false, no, so you are not eligible to apply for a driving license, you cannot apply for that. So that is the flow chart here. So this is all for the today students. So in the next class we will study about the types of control structures. So in this computer program, statements are generally executed in a sequential manner. At times, the user may need to change this order of the execution by repeating or skipping the execution of a few statements subject to a given condition. In such condition, the flow of execution is altered by the use of control statements. Means if we want to repeat a certain task so many times, so we can repeat the certain task with the help of the control statements. We use the label structure, and if the condition is true, the same process, the same piece of code will execute several times. Now before proceeding further, we must understand the different types of the constructor statements in programming that govern the flow of the control of a program. So about the types of the control structures, different types of the statements, sequential statements, also many statements are there, or conditional statements are there. All that we will study in the next class. So this is all for today students. Thank you for your kind attention.